Hello guys, today I will show you how to download TS car radio model firmware and other useful APK files applications. Okay, so this is we drive. This is a drive which managed by Chinese company. Okay, so it's not by me. So you need to log into this V drive to access all the folders and files. Okay, so go to this web link. I will put this web link in my description area, or else you can go to my blogger page and you can log in from there also. Okay, so anyhow, once you click, you should get this page. Okay, if you can use Google Chrome, is very good, because in the web Edge, Microsoft Edge, you cannot translate this Chinese to English. I don't know, I tried, maybe possible, but I don't get the option, unlike Google. So you can, example, if you want it, this is the original the view of the page. So if I don't understand this Chinese, so what I do, I go to this translation, I click English. So once I click English, this everything will be translated to English. Okay guys, so once you translated, you understand this the language, so it's easy. So click scan the QR code to view. Okay, once you click, you will see a QR code. So what you do, you have to take your Android mobile or Apple mobile, go to your Android mobile Play Store or Apple Store, and download WeChat. So you need WeChat in order to access this drive. So download WeChat, register the WeChat through your mobile number and make the account. Okay, once you did WeChat, I will show you. This is my WeChat in my mobile. Okay, I open the WeChat here in the Android. Okay, so I use my I use this WeChat only for this purpose only. So here, just go to me. Okay, here, and here you can see QR code icon here in the WeChat. Just press this one, so you get another QR code. This is only to connect with other friends. So what you want to do, you want to scan this QR code from your mobile. Okay, so what you do, go to scan here down. Once you select scan, your camera will open and automatically it will capture the QR code behind here. So it will ask confirm the login V drive. If I click login, okay, you can see it will start to login. Okay, just you can see here, keep logging. Okay, okay guys, now we are inside the drive. You can see there are so many folders. You can go each folder and check. Don't worry, you cannot delete this thing, only you can download. So you cannot edit or do any modification. Okay guys, so I'm not going through all these folders, and you can see here even you have fan APK. If you want fan APK, you can download from here. Okay, so many things here. I'm going to show you the firmware for packages. You can go here, system firmware packages. You can have so many firmwares, TS10, TS8, T3, TS7, 9, 7. So you can see so many. And even though you have a video and the way how you want to install the firmware to your radio, you can follow this video also. And if you open the TS10 packages, you can see here it has two versions, TS 10.1.2, 10.2.2. so these two versions are there. If you open this folder, you have vertical screen, horizontal screen. I have horizontal, I will click that one. So you have another two folder, public version, support full resolution. I click the full resolution. So you have with panorama 360 or without, so whatever you want. I don't have a 360 camera, so I click without. So you have three firmware files. Okay, these are not up to date at latest, but in case you need to reinstall your radio, you can use this file and you can update to latest version through the radio. Okay, so if you think you will get the latest version, no, it won't get latest version. Okay, because these are modified by different persons, so If we uploaded, you will get it. Didn't upload, you will get the last version and install it to your radio and connect to the internet, and from there you can update. Okay, so if you go, so many things here, CarPlay, radio APK, so you can try everything. I have already tried with my car radio, everything working fine, and make sure install, which is really important. Okay, even you have boot animations here, how to install boot logo. In case you need boot logo, you can get from here. And I think there's a boot animation which is already they made, and how to make boot animation, you have a full document here, you can view it. And guys, so make sure you translate this to English, so we will understand it. Originally it is not English, this is in the Chinese, so you want translate it so you will understand. Okay guys, if you have anything, let me know.